Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to put SIM card into Samsung Galaxy S24. So, SIM card slot is located on the bottom side of the phone, on the left. You need the SIM card ejection tool, which is part of the packaging. To open the slot, you need to push the tool through this first hole. Be careful because there is also second hole, which is microphone. So use the first hole, gently push, and now you can use your fingernails and open the slot like this. This is a dual SIM phone, so from the top of the holder we have SIM 1 slot, and from the bottom we have SIM 2 slot. We will use the first one, as this is first SIM card, and as you can see there is the picture. This picture showing us how to put the SIM card there. So just line up your SIM card with this picture. The corner, cut corner is here, so it will go this direction. Okay, now you can put holder back, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Bye.